I'm Caroline McCarthy, and this is Crave. New York City is a shopping town, and retailers are constantly trying to one-up each other to bring the most cutting-edge consumer experience to their stores, so that more people will buy their products. I'm here outside Rockefeller Center, where Infosys Technologies has its offices, and Infosys has partnered with consumer experience firm The Big Space to bring us the Magicmirror. The Magicmirror is a touchscreen computer display for clothing store dressing rooms. Thanks to RFID chips inside the removable tags on clothes, this device can read into what you're trying on and use that to provide more information and sales assistance. Overall, it's an attempt to make the dressing room experience more immersive, more efficient, and, knock on wood, a source of extra profits for the store. Infosys representatives told me to think about it as like a giant iPhone.
Okay, so one of the biggest challenges we have in an apparel environment as consumers is when we go into the dressing room, you brought something in, you thought it was your size, and perhaps it's not, a little bit too big, a little bit too small. Traditionally, we have to get dressed again, go back out, try to find the right size, and come all the way back. 8 out of 10 times people don't come back to the dressing room.
So let's break down the technology. The Magicmirror consists of an LCD screen, an RFID reader and antenna, and a Wi-Fi equipped computer. The touchscreen works thanks to an ultrasonic wave system, and as an added bonus, it can send text messages too. So what I do, I have some clothes I want to try on. I go right up to the Magicmirror, and it will tell me what I have thanks to a sensor located inside. It's also got the entire inventory of the store in its memory. So I want to try a different size of this yellow tank top. I can do that here, and that will immediately send a message to a PDA held by a sales representative. I can also try these related items, see if maybe I want that too. It's also a way for the store to potentially insert advertising.
Alpha watches, media fantasy.
So from a retailer's perspective, the Magicmirror is also a way for them to tell me that this is not just an ordinary black jacket. As you can see, they have this whole James Bond thing going on. I hold up the jacket to it and it immediately starts creating an experience for the consumer. Because the RFID chips are embedded in the tags that you'll be cutting off clothes once you buy them, you probably don't need to worry about the whole creepy Big Brother factor that's become so intimately associated with RFID. But what about just, well, annoyingness? I'm willing to bet that more than a few consumers don't want audio visuals when they're just trying to find a pair of jeans that fit.
The whole idea is not to be intrusive, but for the technology and the appliance to be there to help you. One of the features is the ability to simply touch the screen to say, make all the stuff go away, so I can just look in the mirror.
Something that's also interesting from both a retail and a consumer standpoint is the fact that the Magicmirror can be configured to ask you questions about the products. Like this outdoors capable shirt. Are you really going to wear it outdoors? Magicmirror can ask you, and it can give you product recommendations. It can also gather important data for the retailer about exactly what their customers are looking for. In addition, all you kleptomaniacs watching this might want to take note of the fact that the Magicmirror can tell if you're taking 15 of the same item in the same color and size into a dressing room. You should start to see these rolling into stores later this year. I'm Caroline McCarthy for Crave. Can I get a little privacy here?